Well, this is going to be an interesting review on the Fifine SC3 mixer desk.
If you're wanting to connect an XLR or a 1/4-inch jack to your PC, then this is a very cheap way of being able to do that. Powers through USB-C on the back of the unit, and on the other end of the cable is a USB-C or a USB-A connection to connect it to your PC or Android device. It is made of plastic and extremely lightweight, with it coming in at just 297 grams. The 4 sliders are also made of plastic, and the buttons on the outside are made of rubber. On the back is the line out port, which allows you to connect speakers, so you can listen to your favourite music and use the corresponding slider to adjust the volume. Headphone port is pretty self-explanatory. Plug in some head or earphones, listen to music or play games, and don't disturb the people around you. At the bottom of this slider we do have the mic monitor button. This allows you to monitor the audio coming from your microphone. We do experience some hissing when using this mode, but there's no delay from us speaking to what you hear in your earphones. The line in is for connecting mobile phones or tablets. This will allow you to use your XLR microphone in applications like TikTok or Instagram, as well as using the additional perks you get with this mixer, which are the auto tune, the voice changer, or your own saved presets. So if you fancy talking like a monster,
that can be done with the push of a button.
We do also get other options like
the male voice, which should hopefully make me sound a little more masculine than what I normally do.
The female voice, which I think sounds very much like Quagmire from Family Guy. Giggity giggity.
This is the robot voice. Not quite sure when you would use this, but you've got it available.
The baby voice, which is what you heard at the very start of this video.
And this is the elder voice, which I'm quite an old bloke anyway, so chances are I wouldn't need this. And to turn these options off, we just hold down the voice change button for a few
seconds, and that will put us back to our normal voice. Various options with the auto tune. So let's sing a little song and let's go through the different auto tune settings and see if you can spot any difference. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die. I got a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the trees and all the streets are too. I had a girlfriend and she is so blue. And we have 4 custom buttons, which if we hold one down, we get to record for up to 15 seconds. So the button will turn white, and when we are speaking, this is now recording whatever we save. And then when we're ready to use that recording, we just tap it.
This is a recording that is saved on a custom button. You need to make sure that you enable the mic monitor button before using this feature.
A 3.5mm headset with microphone can be plugged in if you don't have an XLR or a 1/4-inch microphone available. There is also a switch to go between dynamic and condenser microphones, so just make sure you select the right one for your mic. It is very colourful, which has a single breathing mode which goes through all of the colours, as well as a single colour marquee mode which rotates around the buttons. And you also get 7 standard colours, which can be chosen by the push of a button to match your streaming setup. Or you can get away from using the PC and record directly with your mobile phone. So if you want to use this for platforms like Instagram, for example, this allows you to use all the functionality of the mixer, like the auto tune or the voice changer, and the people watching the live stream can listen to those effects. We have been maxed out on the volume level, so it's not something that's going to give you a massive increase in gain. Bear in mind that this is a basic mixer, so it will allow you to adjust the volume levels across the board on the devices, but you can't route the audio for individual programs, or change equalization settings, which you can do on the more expensive mixers like the Go XLR Mini, for example.